Democracy does not collapse when people speak. It collapses when institutions stop deciding. Imagine a democracy where the preamble speaks of secularism, equality, and rule of law, but public life increasingly responds to identity, emotion, and numbers rather than institutions. This is the story of the Bangladesh Constitution. Adopted in 1972, it placed secularism at the heart of the state. Secularism was later removed during constitutional changes and restored again in 2011 as a fundamental principle of state policy. Yet even today, Article 2A declares Islam as the state religion. This creates a constitutional duality: secular governance in principle and religious identification of the state in text. When a constitution sends mixed signals, public perception fills the gap. Institutions begin to face pressure shaped by belief, sentiment, and numbers. Courts hesitate, executives react, and governance slowly shifts from constitutional decision-making to crowd approval. This is how democracy erodes, not suddenly, but silently. In constitutional law, democracy means institutional neutrality and rule of law. Crowdocracy has no constitutional legitimacy. Fundamental rights are individual, not majoritarian. The moment institutions respond to the crowd instead of the constitution, equality before law stands compromised. The solution is not abandoning faith or suppressing protest. The solution is constitutional discipline. Secularism must operate as state neutrality in action. Institutions must decide strictly by law with the courage to withstand pressure. Protest remains a right, but governance must remain constitutional. Democracy is ruled by constitutional institutions, where decisions are taken by law and due process. Crowdocracy is ruled by public pressure, where outcomes are driven by noise, numbers, and emotion rather than constitutional authority. Follow Nava Legal to understand law the Constitution intended.